Open up the scuttle hole. You see the major difference. Clean up the roof, level the drain line, belts, filters, sanitized, washed. Everything's checked. Test machine washed, checked. 4 things washed, checked. This is a butt whooping. You notice I cleaned the whole units and the roof. Washed the filters on this bubba. While I'm walking around, I'm finding all kinds of stuff I'm leaving. Washed. Cleaned the roof. Washed. That's washed. This newer Lennox was the worst one. It was bad. Belts, filters, everything's washed. I'll come back early Monday morning. I don't want to shut that down. Take a look at that Monday morning. I'll tell you what, guys. That is a night and day difference. And it is 7:48 by the time I got here this morning. Another 12-hour cleaning. Let me go ahead and get down. I just roped all my stuff down. I don't want anybody grabbing it. Take that trash bag down when I come down Monday. Yeah, man, it looks good.